Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. This is going to be a juicy one, so here we go. And hi Vanessa, love your YouTube videos. I know that you sell huge bundles often. How do you deal with bundles over 5 kilograms? Poshmark only provides labels for up to 5 kilograms. No, thanks. I don't know conversions on anything, so I don't know what the equivalent to 5 kilograms is in pounds. Why don't I ask Siri? 5 kilograms is 11.02 pounds. Okay, so you're thinking, I think you meant to write pounds instead of kilograms. So yes, the initial first label that you get from Poshmark after you sell something is only up to 5 pounds. You can upgrade the label up to 10 pounds, and then after that, okay, so it gets tricky. It's so weird. Every post office is different, and it shouldn't be that way. I feel like all post offices, their policies and procedures should all be the same, right? But it's different because I've done something one way, and then you guys have told me, oh no, my post office doesn't allow this. They make me do this. So when I sell big bundles, what I should do is split them up into like 2 separate bundles. I mean, depending on how many items you sell in the bundle. That would be ideal, is to split them up, and then, you know, you would definitely cover shipping. But I have in the past used a 10-pound label and then paid extra at the post office. Some of you guys told me that you're not allowed to do that. I went to a different post office one time and they told me, oh no, we can't do that. We're just gonna charge the account. So they charged Poshmark. And then it was eventually taken out of my earnings. So yeah, it really all depends on your post office, I guess, and what they're willing to do. So yeah, I don't have like a definite answer. I can just tell you what I've done in the past. Next question, just wanted to get your opinion. I never reject a lowball offer and always counter. I have also appreciated that at least buyers can't lowball more than 80% on an item. Over the weekend, I had a buyer offer $10 on an item that was marked $48 with free shipping. Obviously, I countered, but if I accepted, I would have literally been in the deficit by 40 cents. I wanted to create an offer that would entice buyers, but including free or even discounted shipping forfeits my lowball protection on Poshmark. I just discovered you would enjoy your Q&As. Maybe you addressed it already and I haven't come across it. I figured I'd send this as a really... I figured I'd send, as this is really puzzling and disappointing. Are you saying that because you offered for your discounted shipping, they can offer more than 80% off? I don't know if that's true. I'm gonna have to look that up. But my advice, like I've talked about lowball offers in many videos, and my advice is just to deal with them. You're gonna get lowball offers. Don't get offended by them. A lot of people think that it's rude, that it's insulting. It's like, I don't know how many times I've said this, but when I would say like 99% of the time when somebody makes a lowball offer, they're doing it because they want to get a deal. They're not doing it because they want to like personally insult you. They want to be like, I'm gonna attack your character and offer you, $5 for a $50 item. Like, no, that's not what they're doing. They're trying to get a deal. You shouldn't take offense to that. Like, is it annoying? Obviously, yes, because you want to get, the most amount of money that you can for an item, obviously. Offering is a feature on Poshmark. And if you don't like that feature, then, there's always other platforms you can go to. Mercari, what is their lowball amount? It's definitely less than 80%. Is it like 20%, 40%? No, it's not 40%. It's like 20, 50. Why am I blanking on this? I don't know, but Mercari offers like a better lowball protection, if you will. But again, if you don't like the lowball offers, you can go to another platform, or you can just decline it and risk, losing out on a sale. Unfortunately, lowball offers are part of Poshmark, and you just kind of have to deal with it. Again, my advice is to just counter back, don't decline, just counter back, hold your ground. And eventually either the buyer will understand like, hey, this person isn't going to go lower than this, or they'll get frustrated and you'll lose the sale anyway. But just declining, I feel like you're more apt to lose the sale anyway. So yeah, don't get discouraged with lowballs. They're not personally attacking you. They're just trying to get something for cheap. It's not a personal attack. I get so irritated when I see people like, oh, no, you should offer this amount. Or people that have like those offer charts in their Poshmark closet. Like, don't do that. What? So I've gotten so many questions from you guys, like over the past, I've been doing these videos for how long now? Years. I've gotten so many questions from you guys asking about bundle comments and if they're private. When you make a bundle, or when someone makes a bundle in your closet, the comments that you guys have, the back and forth, it's not private. Anyone can see it. Here's an example. Here's a fun little example. So someone on Instagram, I'm not going to say your name because I don't know if you want to be called out. You probably don't. But somebody on Instagram DM'd me last night some screenshots of a bundle. 2 bundles, actually, from, you guessed it, Nicole State. and she had a little conversation in those bundles, and I wanted to address it on my channel just to prove to you guys that bundle comments aren't private. Anyone can see it, so be careful what you say in your bundle comments. I'm not going to show you the actual screenshot. You can go to her bundle and search these. You can see the comments for yourself. But this person said to Nicole State, she said, I don't know you, but I've seen what's happening on social media and it's vicious. It's vicious. Unsolicited advice. I know it would be hard, but I'd face it head on. Don't let them take over your YouTube or Insta with hate. Just tell them you're working hard to make it right. You win some and you lose some. People want to see you fail. It's sick. I've learned from your channel, and I'd like to hear what you have to say about the bad times too. Just wanted to let you know there are people who want to see you succeed, or want you to succeed. Then Nicole State replied back with this. Thank you. I'll be releasing a statement soon. My uncle passed away this week, and he was the last living family member I spoke with regularly. I'm just processing a lot right now. And this person said, I'm sorry to hear that. You're my thoughts. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So, first of all, if her uncle really did pass away, obviously that's awful. Like, that's awful. It's just kind of weird timing. You know, like, oh, you're having this huge scandal and then your closest family member passes away. I said in previous videos that she's going to turn around and try to make her the victim. And that's kind of, I mean, if it really did happen, that's a weird fucking coincidence. And I'm sorry, that sucks. But I don't know. You win some, you lose some. People want to see you fail. It's sick. Like, maybe this person doesn't know her past and her present. I've gotten some comments and people have been like, you're not your past. You're not your past. But it's like, she's still doing this shit in the present too. So you can't use that argument. Clearly they either don't know what's going on or they're just blind to shit. Like, I don't know. Okay. You guys ready for this comment, this conversation? Hi, Nicole. Is there any way you can throw a lawsuit against Keepin' It Rad? That's me. That's my Poshmark name, Keepin' It Rad. It's not fair. She's making a series to make money off the drama. ? There is something you can do? ? It's not right. This is her reply. This is her reply, guys. You ready? It's not right. But sadly, there isn't much I can do without spending money I don't have to spend. It's disappointing that anyone would even watch. Okay, hold on. Let me continue. Then the other person says, I just sucks. I know karma will hit her bad. Me! She's talking about me! Karma's gonna get me? Hold on. She's not doing it for the community. She's doing it for the views. I'm really upset with the community. Resellers, unfortunately, are getting worse at bullying, especially the ones like you that succeed. I'm just glad you are still here on Poshmark. I'm very sorry this happened to you. You did so much for the community, and this angers me, honestly. And then Nicole said, thank you, heart. I will be back on YouTube. I just need a bit of time to focus on what's important. The drama just isn't for me. I read this last night, and I laughed so hard that I almost woke my youngest up because he was sleeping. All right, first of all, is there any way you can throw a lawsuit against Keepin' It Rad? It's like, no, she can't because I've done nothing wrong. She's going to say, oh, I don't have the money, which I thought you were so successful. You're so successful. You're a 6-figure reseller. You're so successful. Like, what? Which is it? Which one is it? You have nothing against me. That's why. I've done nothing wrong. I've made YouTube videos and stated facts. In my opinion, I've done nothing wrong. It's disappointing that anyone would even watch. What's disappointing is the shit that you've done, Nicole. That's what's disappointing. It really is. Because honestly, you have a lot of potential. Like, you're good at reselling. You are. You're just a shit person. That kind of fucks things up because, you know, morals and shit or lack thereof. I'm doing it for the views, guys. I'm doing it for the views. Clearly this person, I'm not going to say their name. But yeah, clearly this person doesn't watch my channel. Yes, I do YouTube to make money, obviously, but I also make videos to help you guys out. You know, like I do, it's both. It goes both ways. It goes both ways. It goes both ways. It goes both ways. Like anyone that has a job, like you do it to make money and you do it, you know, to provide a service, you know, whatever your job is. you know? So what the fuck are you talking about? Like, we stop with the fucking bullying. Like, this is not bullying. This is not bullying. This is showing you guys shit she's done, stating facts. This is not bullying. I'm not like, I don't like her curly hair, or she's ugly. Like, that's fucking bullying. Me saying all the shady shit that she's done isn't bullying. It's telling you guys the shit she's done, and just, I'm done. I'm done talking about bullying, and it's not, okay? She said that karma's gonna hit me back. Like, I'm the one that's done shady shit. Like, what? It's hilarious. It is. Yeah, I just wanted to share those comments with you guys and just remind you guys that bundle comments aren't private. So really be careful what you say in those. You know, definitely don't give out any like personal information. Just be careful what you say in those. You know, if you're going to talk shit about another person, they can see it. I just thought that was funny. And thank you to the person that sent me those screenshots. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.